We are committed to finding solutions to optimize the way we deliver single-use products to our customers around the globe. Our role in addressing customer challenges involves meeting lead time commitments and ensuring products are received on time and in full. To meet the challenges of high demand for single-use consumables, shortages in manufacturing capacity, and raw materials access, Thermo Fisher Scientific has implemented a multi-tier strategy to improve the resiliency of our supply chain. It's why we have created the largest networked single-use manufacturing organization in the world. These efforts are designed to help provide shorter lead times while consistently meeting or exceeding industry quality standards, no matter where the product is built, helping to assure that products are not only available, but that they are equivalent in quality, form, fit, and function. A critical component of our supply chain strategy is capacity expansion. We've increased our single-use global manufacturing and assembly cleanroom space for Thermo Scientific 2D and 3D bioprocess containers and fluid transfer assemblies by more than 200%. In addition to capacity expansion, establishing manufacturing redundancy across our global network is a top priority. Redundancy across the single-use manufacturing network enables us to balance production to meet demand across all sites of our global network, collectively working to support business continuity and to mitigate supply chain risk. Each facility within our single-use network has been harmonized to help ensure equivalency with respect to product design, manufacturing processes, and quality systems. Harmonization of our critical business and manufacturing processes help ensure manufacturing redundancy and supply chain risk mitigation for our customers. With this network harmonization strategy, we're evolving to become a globally connected manufacturing network and are elevating the standard for a single-use product supply chain with multiple sites, the same product, the same quality, and greater global accessibility in the United States, the United Kingdom, Singapore, and China. In addition to capacity expansion and adopting a network approach to manufacture, we've implemented a component standardization strategy that offers customers the ability to create designs that maximize the advantages of our global network. We've created the Global Standard Component Library for use in the design of single-use products. These preferred components are ideal for network manufacture, are pre-qualified, carry our standard claims, and are stocked within the network. To provide customers with the single-use products they need within reasonable lead times, we are emphasizing the following measures. Capacity expansion to help meet the unprecedented demand for single-use products. Global manufacturing redundancy to optimize production capabilities and business continuity. Network standardization to provide standard materials while maintaining design flexibility. This is the way forward in single-use bioprocessing, providing customers with a standardized global network approach. Speak to us today to learn how you can increase your supply resiliency by qualifying our manufacturing network at thermofisher.com/flexible containment.